Good morning and happy weekend to the community of divisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunluwa Inde, also known as Safaya Joa, one of the economic developer within the Kringo Society. On my admonition and charge to the community this wonderful weekend morning, I title it Enjoy and Improve. Enjoy and Improve. According to Steve Olayinka, he says your chances of success are directly proportional to the degree of pleasure you desire from what you do. We are economic developer within the Kringle Society. Do you enjoy what you are doing? I am one of the earliest member in the Kringle Society, and I'm happy to be a member. I'm a proud Tunisian. Anywhere I find myself, I show myself as a Tunisian. I'm proud of what I'm doing and I'm enjoying it. Guys, whatever you enjoy, you improve on. Why? Because you do all within your best to learn, to acquire more knowledge, more understanding, and more ways to improve on what you are doing. Enjoy where you are today, and suddenly you are where you are to move forward to a greater and advanced level. Yes, where you are now has more value. But guess what? There are greater value on the next level. But you need to enjoy where you are now. I'm not asking you to remain at one spot. No, you need to enjoy it, enjoy doing it, and at the same time, improve on it. Yes, enjoy the moment you are living, and suddenly the moment offers new and positive opportunities, possibilities, like the present opportunity that is going on within the English community now. That is the Lagos opportunity. For as many of us who are within the community, who are enjoying what we do, we remain and we are focused. Yes, that opportunity is in for us now. So, guys, enjoy what you are doing. By so doing, you transform your effort into a pathway to success and achievement. You cannot always find reasons to be miserable. No, hey, I've lost money. I do this. I prosper somebody. He refused to do it. Refused to. No, 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 no. You need to find a reason to continue to enjoy what you are doing. Be joyful. Being joyful, on the other hand, will put you in a positive, productive, and effective frame of mind. You will be well positioned to accomplish and succeed. So, guys, when you enjoy what you are doing, it positions you in a greater position. It positions you in a greater position. Yeah, higher position, a better position for you to accomplish and for you to succeed. So, whatever in this day you may hold, find something to truly enjoy about. Find something to truly enjoy about it. And guess what? Within the Kringle community, we have a lot of things that excite us, a lot of things to enjoy. Guys, we have found your own best pathway forward if you enjoy what you are doing. So I encourage every TVtions out there, every member of the Kringle community out there, let us show forth that we are enjoying what we are doing. Guys, anytime I always look forward to the mass adoption training, to the weekly meeting and the broadcaster meeting. What? It has always been such a wonderful moment. People are excited, people are happy, people are happy with what we are doing. So, on my short chat this morning and encouragement this morning, Enjoy what you are doing. Be happy. Be excited about the Kringles community. Shortly, we will make it. This world will be a better place for us all to live. I love you all. Thank you. I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. God bless you. TBC is our birthright. Cheers.